Did you know baby hiccups are actually tiny workout sessions? Newborns can hiccup up to 200 times per day, and parents often worry. But here's the amazing truth. Each hiccup is strengthening your baby's diaphragm. Those rhythmic little contractions are building the muscles needed for proper breathing. It's not just a cute quirk, it's critical development happening right before your eyes. Premature babies who hiccup more frequently show stronger respiratory function at discharge. Those stronger diaphragm muscles lead to better sleep breathing throughout their first year. So next time your little one gets the hiccups, smile. Their body is doing exactly what it needs to grow strong and healthy. Nature's perfect training program in action.